Good morning students, welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Today we are going to discuss about the unit 1 light. In light there are three topics. First one is a source of light and second one is a pinhole camera, third one is a shadow. We are going to learn about these three topics. Now first one is a source of light. What is source of light? Object which are able to emit light, that is known as a source of light. Okay, it is depend on two types. One is natural light source and artificial light source. Okay, first what is natural light source? We can able to get natural light from sun. Source which emit natural light we known as natural light source. The sun is the primary and major source of the natural light. We all know that sun is the major source of natural light, and star also produce light in the same way as sun do, but they much far away from the sun. So the light from them are too weak than comparing to the sun. The light from them are too weak, and moon also produce a light. So moon also provides a light, particularly in the night time. So some living organisms have the ability to produce the light for bioluminescence. That organisms are fireflies, jellyfish, glowworm, certain deep sea plant and some microorganisms can also emit a light naturally. See, these all are natural light source only. Aura, meteors, sunrise, lava, star, sunlight, fireflies and sunset. These all are natural light source. Next, artificial source of light. Apart from the natural source, light can also be produced artificially. So, the different light source that are able to produce light artificially can be put under three broad categories. They are incandescent source, gas discharge source and a path of light. Example of artificial source of light is incandescent lamp, neon lamp and sodium lamp. Incandescent source, which certain objects are heated to high temperature, they begin to emit light. Which the certain object are heated to high temperature, they begin to emit light. The glowing of hot iron rod is a kind of incandescent light. Example, candle and incandescent lamp. This is the gas discharge source. Passing electricity through certain gases at very low pressure can produce light. That is, low pressure means discharging. Example, neon lamp and sodium lamp. The properties of lights are. In this section we shall examine some properties of light. What are the properties of light? That is rectilinear propagation of light, and second one is a reflection, third one is a speed and fourth one is a interaction of light with matter. In interaction of light with matter, there is a types. They are types of material according to permeability, formation of shadows, plane mirror and images. And a final one of properties of light is spectrum. Next topic is pinhole camera. What is pinhole camera? Pinhole camera is a simple device which helps us to understand about the rectilinear propagation of light. Already I told you in the properties of light, what that only in pinhole camera we can able to understand about the rectilinear propagation of light. The above picture shown a model of pinhole camera. O is a small hole by a pin and XY is the object and Y dash X dash is the image of XY. That means there is a reflection. For example, just consider as a this is a XY and this is a X dash and Y dash. Okay, this is O, so small hole by a pin. Then as light travel through the straight line, one light ray from X is travel along the OX and then streak the screen X dash. And in similar way, another light ray starting from Y and travels along to the O, so it's become a YO. This screen is streaks as a Y dash. All these rays in between X and Y fall on the screen between Y dash and X dash. Thus, Y dash and X dash become the image of XY. The image produced is temporary if a simple paper is used. So, the image can be made up of permanent if paper is replaced by a photographic plate. Next one is a reflection. A mirror reflects our face. We all know that. So, a still water body like a pond reflects the scenery around it. When we see our face in the mirror, we can see the light rays from our face bouncing off the surface of the mirror. This is how the reflection is happening. So, take place a mirror, cover it with a black paper and then cut a small slit of some image like shown in the figure. Then use a sunlight or some torch light which shiny light in the mirror and get a small ray of light. We can use this to study the properties of light. Next one is the laws of reflection. The angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Again I am repeating, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Likewise, in incident ray, the reflected ray and normal at the point of incident lies at the same plane. Let's move to the next one, that is transparent material. There are two types of material. One is transparent and translucent material. This one is a transparent material. Material that allows light to pass through completely, that is known as transparent material. For example, eyeglasses, clear drinking glasses, clear water, face glasses used in the buses. This is the translucent material. The object that allow light to pass through partially, that is called as translucent material. The light will be allow only partially. For example, we cannot see the image of someone who stands behind the rough window glass like this glass shown in the images. So, because it allows only a part of light from the person. The final topic is shadows. As we saw earlier, light is obstructed by a certain material. Light travels in the straight line. It cannot go under such an object. That is why, because shadow is always against opposite side of the light source. So, it is caused by the obtuse object that stop light from the propagation. Let's see about the paths of shadows. When an obtuse object is placed in the path of a light from a point source, a uniform dark shadow will appear on the screen. We all know that. So, this shadow is called as umbra. When an obtuse object placed in a path of light coming from a broad source of light like a sun or artificial source of light like a lamp, etc., a small umbra will appear on the screen and illuminate the shadow area appears around the umbra. The illuminated shadow appears, that name is called as penumbra. Penumbra is also always surrounded the umbra. So, don't confuse. The illumination shadow appears area is called as umbra, and when that umbra is illuminated shadow, that is called as a penumbra. Umbra is the darkness part of the shadow. So, in this part, light rays can completely prevent the obtuse object. The lighter shade of the shadow is a penumbra. The properties of shadows are, all objects do not form a shadow. Only obtuse object will be form a shadow. So, shadow will be formed in the opposite side of the light source. And third point is it cannot be determined the characteristic of an object by its shadow. The shadow will be always darker whatever may be the color of the light rays. Okay student, in this lesson we completed the source of light, and two types of source of lights are natural source and artificial source, and also we saw about the reflection pinhole camera. In that reflection I told about the laws of reflection, and also we completed the two types of material, that one is a transparent material and a translucent material of the mirror, and then final one is a shadow, parts of shadow and properties of shadow. Next let's move to the unit 2, universe and space. There are two topics, galaxy and Milky Way. Let's see about it. Just see, the scientist Stephen Hawking said that my goal is simple. It is a complete understanding of the universe, why it is as it is and why it exists at all. This is said by the Stephen Hawking. The universe consists of galaxies, planets, stars, meteors, satellites and all other form of matter and energy, and it is a world of wonder. And let us move into the world of wonder to know more interesting fact about the place of residence of our solar system. Galaxy is a large collection of stars or cluster of stars and celestial body held together by gravitational attraction. There are about billion of galaxies in our universe. So, most galaxy ranges from 1000 to 10,000 parasec in diameter. As we have different types of houses in a locality, like that the galaxy are also of different types. There is a type of galaxies such as spiral, elliptical, barrel, spiral and irregular. What are the types? Spiral, elliptical, barrel spiral and irregular. This is a spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies consist of a flat, rotating disk containing stars, gas and dust also, and a central concentration of star known as bulge. These are often surrounded by much fainter halo of stars. So, spiral galaxies are named by their spiral structure of extend from the center into the galactic disk, where extend from the center into the galaxy disk. The spiral arms are sets of ongoing stars formation and are brighter than the surrounding disk because of the young hot star and inhabited them. This is an elliptical galaxy. An elliptical galaxy is a type of galaxy having an approximately ellipsoidal shape. Can you able to see? This is the ellipsoidal shape. So, this shape is a smooth image. Unlike flat spiral galaxy with organization and structure, elliptical galaxies are three-dimensional without much structure, and their stars are in somehow random orbits around the center. So then, interestingly, stars found inside of elliptical galaxy are on an average much older than stars found in a spiral galaxy. Elliptical galaxy tend to be surrounded by large number of globular clusters. Next one is a irregular galaxy. Irregular galaxy is a galaxy that does not have a distinct regular shape, unlike like a spherical or elliptical galaxy. They are often chaotic in appearance with either a nucleus bulge nor any track of spiral arm structure. About 1/4 of the galaxy found so far are of this type. Cosmologists say that some irregular galaxies were once spiral or elliptical galaxy but were deformed by an uneven external gravitational force. Irregular galaxies more contain abundant amount of gas and dust. Next one is a barred spiral. A barred spiral galaxy is a spiral galaxy with a center bar shape. This is the center bar shape. So, in the center bar shape structure composed of full of stars. Bar are often in approximately in 2/3 to 1/3 of all spiral galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy where our own solar system is located is classified as a barred spiral galaxy. Next one is a satellites. And satellites that revolves around the planet is a stable and consistent orbit is called a satellite. What is satellite? An object that revolves around the planet in a stable and constant. Okay, we all know that. So, satellites can be classified into two categories. They are, one is natural and another is a artificial. So, there are two types. One is a natural satellite and another one is a artificial satellite. What is natural satellite? Natural satellite is moon only. All natural objects revolving around the planets are natural satellite. What is satellite? I explained you already, that is stable or a consistent orbit which revolves around a planet. So, for Earth, moon is surrounding the planet. So, this is a natural satellite. They are also called as moon. Most moons are spherical. The one that are not usually asteroids or meteors that were captured by the strong gravity of a planet. All planets except Mercury and Venus in our solar system have moon. Earth has only one moon, whereas planets like Jupiter and Saturn have more than 60 moons. So, moon is the natural satellite. Next, artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are, we all know that is man-made object placed in an orbit to rotate around a planet, usually the Earth. The world's first artificial satellite launch was Sputnik 1 by Russia. Aryabhata was the first satellite launched by India. These satellites are used in television and radio transmission. Studying agriculture yield, location, mineral resources and weather forecasting locate different places on Earth. This is the artificial satellite. Okay student, in this second unit, Universe and Space, we learned about what is galaxy and also types of galaxy. There are 4 types. One is spiral and another one is elliptical and barred and irregular. And also we saw about the satellite, natural satellite and artificial satellite. Okay student, I hope that you all are understand today video classes. See you in the next class. Thank you.